access to working capital is often a bottleneck in the procurement process. Embedded financing platforms like Bizongo offer supply chain financing through their network of financial institutions that enable businesses to purchase raw materials at the right time by getting access to credit financing. Navigating multiple platforms for raw material prices can be overwhelming and costly. Vendor digitization platforms can consolidate the entire spectrum of vendors and their raw material prices into a single view. This empowers MSMEs to make cost-saving purchasing decisions. Ordering and receiving raw materials only when they are needed for production eliminates the need for excessive inventory holding. This helps optimize storage costs, improves cash flow, and reduces carrying costs. Leveraging AI and data analytics gets accurate and real-time raw material prices. Eliminating guesswork and uncertainty enables businesses to make informed purchasing decisions. Supplier relationship management is not just transactions. It's all about open communication, mutual understanding, and true collaboration. Conducting periodic assessments of suppliers' performance helps monitor adherence to contractual obligations, product specifications, and delivery timelines. Bizongo's platform lets you access a curated network of top-notch strategic suppliers, allowing you to source the best quality steel and aluminum raw materials at the most competitive prices.